dito ang pila ng mga media. Media dito naman.
Apo.
Alright, so thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And how are you guys feeling so far? You guys alright? Makina Motor Show 2022, natutuwa po tayo lahat. Siyempre dumaan po tayo 2 years pandemic. And yun nga, nakakaatat, di ba? Nandito na tayo ngayon. And I'm glad you guys are all here. You know, the motorcycle industry, it's a very unique industry. Tayo lahat on two wheels, we're very passionate with what we do. And regardless of what type of bike that we have, we're on the road, we respect each other and so on.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday.
Dito si Jerome ngayon sa booth ng HJC.
Maraming salamat sa pagdalaw.
Sa HJC Users Group, sabihin nila pag may tambay.
Nag-aaya daw sila ng tambay.
Tambay kayo sa sa Imprint Customs na cafe. Game na game kami dyan.
Okay, pwede.
Oo, doon. May HJC din doon.
Yeah.
Imprint? Sir?
Boss.
Okay na natin.
Ginagawa ng evento ng di mo alam.
Ito, HJC Users Group. Ito na si Imprint. Meron siyang bagong place. Pwede nang isama lahat ng angkan nyo. Pwede, kasya tayo doon.
Nasa HJC user.
Ayan. O yun, Bobby.
Babike tayo sa Virtuosity Playground. Kailan na yan?
Okay lang. Boss?
Wala pa.
Papasyal na lang po kami ron, sir.
Oh, yan. I-coordinate nyo para ando kami ni Boss Lisa. Yan. Ibira.
Thank you, HJC users.
I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Oh, si Commander-in-Chief. Ano kaya yung napili niya? Wow.
Small po siya. Small. Salamin.
Magkano yan, boss?
5,912.
Wala naman ah.
Hello mga boss! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Makina Motor Show at the SMX Convention Center. And spotted natin dito si Sir Por from Pioneer Insurance.
Hi!
Hi Sir Por! Pinopromote niya. Nakita namin si Sir Por and his team promoting RideSure. Sir Por, tell us about RideSure.
Alright, so RideSure is comprehensive motorcycle insurance. It's a product of Pioneer. 3 features make RideSure unique. 1, it's real-time. 2, it's customizable. 3, it's claimable via cash settlement. So, kaya siya real-time kasi ang advantage si RideSure, it's online. Okay? You just visit our website, insureshop.ph/motor. Okay? And you can get your quote instantly. As in less than so easy to get a quote. In less than 1 minute you can get a quote. And it's so easy to buy RideSure. You can buy RideSure bago pa matapos tong interview na to. Ganun kabilis.
Okay, wow! So, ang RideSure po ba, it's more about motorcycle insurance lang or pwede din ipa-insure yung rider or official back rider?
Okay, so RideSure is comprehensive motorcycle insurance. So it has 6 benefits. 1, it covers own damage. So kung sakali mabunggo yung motor, covered natin due to madamage yung motor due to accidental collision, overturning, masunog siya, sirain siya, except of course ng owner. Tapos mahulog siya while in transit. So, and then second, it also covers acts of nature. So in case na mabagyo, mabaha, basta madamage yung motor due to natural catastrophes, covered natin siya. Meron din tayong benefit for theft. So, kung sakaling nakawin yung motor, covered. Okay? And then, we also have third-party liability cover, such as for property damage. Meaning to say, pag yung motor nakabangga ng ibang property, kotse, o kung anumang property, gate, covered natin yung damages. Then also, third-party liability due to bodily injury or theft, kung makabangga naman. So, this is on top of CTPL natin na tinatawag na, which is mandatory or required na ni LTO upon registration. And then lastly, to your question, we cover also personal accident. So that's the rider and the official back ride. So kino-cover din natin yan. Okay, so yun ang benefits ng rideshare. Unique feature of rideshare is that it's customizable. Meaning to say, yung nabanggit ko na 6 na benefits ng comprehensive insurance, you can decide to adjust the cover. You can customize it, and the premium will adjust real time also. Ganun kaganda ang rideshare. And then lastly, it's claimable via cash settlement. Ibig sabihin, pag nagkaka-claim ka, babayaran ni rideshare in cash yung benefit mo. So that means you have the freedom to have your motorcycle repaired wherever, whenever you want it repaired. Okay? So cash settlement. So those 3 things, no? Real-time, customizable, and claimable via cash settlement. Yung claims process natin, dahil online mo siya binili, online ka rin magpa-file ng claim. Soft copy lahat. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng office ng Pioneer to file a claim. You just have to email it to us, and then we will process it, and then we will settle it also via either deposit to your bank account, via GCash, via our partner distribution channels like Emulier.
Alright, thank you. Okay, Sir Por, invite naman natin ang ating mga riders or motoristas na gustong kumuha ng motorcycle comprehensive insurance.
Alright, so guys, please visit insureshop.ph/motor to get a quote for rideshare in an instant. In less than 1 minute, you can get a quote. Because with rideshare, it's all about your ride, your rules.
Yes! Thank you, Sir Por. Thank you very much.
Good evening po. Hi, I'm Paul from Rideshare, Pioneer Insurance, and